Are you an aspiring guitarist looking to take your playing to the next level? Do you find yourself torn between using fingerstyle or a pick? It's a common dilemma among guitarists, and the decision can have a significant impact on your playing style and overall musicality. In this article, we will uncover the secret to elevating your guitar playing by exploring the pros and cons of fingerstyle and pick techniques. By understanding their unique attributes, you'll be able to make an informed choice that suits your personal preferences and goals. Fingerstyle, the art of expression. When it comes to fingerstyle guitar playing, one word comes to mind: expression. This technique allows for greater control over dynamics, tone, and intricate melodies. By using individual fingers, typically thumb, index, middle, and ring, you can pluck strings with precision and create beautiful harmonies. Why choose fingerstyle? Expressive versatility. Fingerstyle enables you to play multiple parts simultaneously. Bass lines with your thumb while picking melodies with other fingers. Enhanced tonal quality. With direct contact between fingertips and strings, fingerstylists can produce warm tones that resonate deeply. Greater control over dynamics. Using different fingers allows for nuanced volume variations within a single phrase or chord progression. Ideal for complex arrangements. If you enjoy arranging songs or composing intricate pieces, fingerstyle provides the flexibility needed for such endeavors. How do I start learning fingerstyle? Begin with basic exercises. Practice simple patterns like alternating bass notes, thumb, combined with melody notes, fingers. Start slow until each movement feels comfortable. Learn iconic songs in this style. Study classic tunes from legendary players like Chet Atkins or Tommy Emmanuel as they showcase various techniques used in fingerpicking. Experiment with different patterns. Once you've mastered the basics, explore different finger patterns to create unique sounds and textures. Pick, the powerhouse of precision. On the other hand, pun intended, using a pick offers its own set of advantages. This small piece of plastic or metal can transform your guitar playing into a powerhouse of precision and speed. Why choose a pick? Crisp attack and clarity. Picks provide a consistent attack on each string, resulting in clear notes that cut through any mix. Ideal for fast-paced genres. If you're drawn to genres like rock, punk, or metal where speed is essential, using a pick allows for rapid alternate picking techniques. Strumming efficiency. When strumming chords, picks offer efficient contact with multiple strings at once. Easy adaptation from other instruments. If you've played instruments like the ukulele or mandolin before, transitioning to a pick will feel more natural. How do I start learning with a pick? Choose the right pick thickness. Experiment with various thicknesses, light, medium, heavy, to find one that suits your playing style and genre preferences. Practice alternate picking exercises. Start by alternating between downstrokes and upstrokes on individual strings until you achieve evenness in sound and rhythm. Study influential players in your preferred genre. Observe how they use picks to execute their signature techniques. This will inspire new ideas for your own playing. Finding your perfect blend. Now that we've explored the strengths of both fingerstyle and pick techniques, let's discuss why finding your perfect blend is crucial for elevating your guitar playing. Versatility. By incorporating elements from both fingerstyle and picking into your repertoire, you'll have access to an extensive range of musical possibilities. You can seamlessly switch between delicate fingerpicking passages and powerful picked solos within the same song. Musicality. Each technique has its sonic characteristics that lend themselves to different genres and musical expressions. By combining fingerstyle and pick, you can create a unique sound that reflects your musical personality. Personal preference. Ultimately, the choice between fingerstyle or pick comes down to personal preference. Experiment with both techniques, explore various genres, and observe how different players utilize each method. Trust your instincts and choose what feels most comfortable and enjoyable for you. In conclusion, whether you opt for fingerstyle or a pick depends on your desired playing style, genre preferences, and personal comfort. However, finding a balance between the two techniques can unlock new levels of creativity in your guitar playing journey. Embrace the versatility offered by both methods while staying true to your own musicality. This is where the secret lies in elevating your guitar playing to new heights.